Do you prefer seeing app names under your icons, or do you want a cleaner looking home screen? Your Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you choose. Let me show you how. First, long tap an empty area on your home screen. Then tap the settings icon. Now look for show app labels on home screen. When this option is enabled, app names appear underneath the app's icon on the home screen, and when it's disabled, the names disappear and you are left with just the icons. For this example, let's enable show app labels on home screen. And notice that another option now appears, show labels for featured widget. This lets you separately choose whether labels should also appear for your feature widget. Let's leave this one off for now. Now let's go back to the home screen. And there we go. You can see the app names underneath the icons on the home screen. One thing to notice, the app names are not shown underneath the apps in the bottom row of the home screen. So this setting doesn't simply add a label underneath every app icon everywhere on the home screen. However, if you prefer a cleaner look, you can always go back and turn show app labels on home screen off. And that's how to show or hide app names on the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.